The Underground Railroad, by Colson Whitehead, follows the journey of two slaves as they make a bid for freedom following the path of the Underground Railroad, which in the book is a literal Underground Railroad, not just a series of safe houses and secret routes. The book was rightfully both an overwhelming critical and commercial success. It won the National Book Award, the Pulitzer Prize, the Andrew Carnegie Medal, and was shortlisted for the Man Booker Prize. The plot begins on a plantation in Georgia, but rapidly the two protagonists, Cora and Caesar, take a train to South Carolina. In the book's version of South Carolina, the government owns all former slaves, but it also employs them, gives them medical treatment, and provides them with housing. Cora and Caesar stay in South Carolina until they learn the government also performs medical experiments on former slaves. The plot of the book then travels through many other areas of the antebellum South. What I like about the Underground Railroad, besides the exquisite writing, is the way Whitehead presents an almost magical realism version of history. By making slight changes to reality, he divorces the reader from what we already know about slavery, forcing us to approach the atrocities with fresh eyes, to take in the horrors anew. It's a novel approach, and one that is incredibly effective in the hands of a writer as deft as Whitehead is.